What's up, guys? It's Terrence Sparrow. Welcome back to another video. And today, this is for the channel. I know this is kind of meant for fingerboarding, but if you guys wanna, I have a tip. You guys wanna start making fast money? The thing is, you should do is, of course, sell chips at school. And the best chips to sell are these right here. I don't know why they're the best chips to sell, but at my school, they are. And at your school, I'll sell Pringles, there's different sugary stuff, because if a lot of us like sugar, so if you like sugar, chips, soda, then you're awesome. Okay, just pound it. Sorry for that. But anyways, yeah, they make fast money. And if you got extra fingerboards you guys don't want, like at my school, middle school kids like to play with the tech decks. I don't know if you can really see that. It's dark, so yeah, like to play with the tech decks. Only a couple of us like to play the fingerboards. I don't know why. Some of them don't like to play the fingerboards, but I like to. And so you can sell fingerboards. You can sell small stuff. You can sell. It's kind of weird. Sell silly string. Sell random stuff. Sell phone cases. Just pencils. Just find something to sell or make money, or you can just do jobs, but that takes long. And honestly, I don't want to have to wait 2 weeks just to get like $20. You can make $20 in less than, let's say, about 15 minutes for me. And I need pause because I need to take a thumbnail. Take a thumbnail. And okay, sorry for that pause. That was a thumbnail. You guys will see it. But yeah, just it takes some time. This is gonna be a fast video, I think, because none of my videos are around 4 to 8 minutes. This video is probably gonna be around. Yeah, I'll just say 8 minutes. But yeah, I enjoy selling chips, soda, snacks at school. I don't know if you guys are gonna enjoy it, but currently I do. And yeah, sorry if I kind of look kind of bad. I just got back from school. That's why it's gonna be the fast video. I need light because I need some light because it's dark in here. It kind of lights up my face. But yeah, just sell stuff. Go to the store. Say if you had a bag of chips and you would sell it, and they're $2, and you sold 4 of them, it'll be $8. You just made $8. It's just like, wow, that was fast. So I have a kid. I bring him out. He wants to buy these, this, and this. These I'm gonna sell for $2. These are 4, and these are 2. So if I sell all of them, that's gonna be about. There's $8 right there. So just be smart. Think of if you sell them, how much money you're gonna get, write a list down, and yeah. I'm sorry this video was kind of like, kind of not really interesting. Or if you guys didn't learn something, just put down in the comments like, hey, man, I didn't learn anything. You stupid, you suck. Just stop. If you did learn something, please say, I learned some. Thank you for the good advice. I appreciate that. Everything. So